A very tragic incident that happened at the very old Rajendra Nagar, where unfortunately three students who wanted to become something, who wanted to become officers, unfortunately succumbed to something that is should be condemned rather, because who do you blame for something like this that has happened, where you see the water being, they being submerged under the water. There were 30 students who were on that, they were studying, they were in the library, they were hoping to become something, and because of that something bad has happened. And we are also joined by few people who will give their perspective on the issue. I'll start with you. Exactly what happened, then I'll go to him as well. What happened, if you can tell our viewers what exactly happened, what led to something?
Sir, around 6:57, rain started, and I was here by crossed by the road, and the in just 15 minutes, the water rose up to the height of my knees, and people students sitting in there had cleared prelims, and they were here giving the mock test for the mains test. They were called by the coaching institutes, and they were locked by the biometric system. When the water entered, that biometric system could not work, and they could not get out. And the rescue operation, they started it immediately at around 7:27, 7:20, they started the operation, but it went up to and it ended at 5 a.m. in the morning. How many people have died? We don't know the official poll. Three is the dead toll given to us by the police. Sir, this institute have been given NOC by MCD. They have been approved by Water and Education Minister. And when it comes to responsibility of this tragic incidents, it's been hours since incident. No one from the government has shown up till now. No one is ready to take the responsibility. We demand for the resignation of Water Education Minister Atishi Marlena and the Mayor and the so-called Chief Minister Mr. Kejriwal also.
ऑल्सो आपसे भी जानने का कोशिश करेंगे सर, ये जो इंसिडेंट हुआ, ये कैसे हुआ? व्हाट लेड टू समथिंग लाइक दिस?
Sir, actually, three innocent students died because of the irregularities of government, and three main responsible person. First one was the owner of this institute, Ved Gupta. Second is the MCD, because MCD has given the NOC for the construction, and basically it's given for the fourth floor and the still parking. But illegally they are running a library in the basement, and that is the cause of the death because water lodged in the library. And third is Delhi government. Atishi should wake up. 4 days before, almost same incident took place in Patel Nagar, where Nilesh, who was just encounter a water hole, a big hole, and he was trying to save himself, and he was died because of the electric shock. And BSCS called was made for 30 minutes, but they couldn't arrive. So who is responsible for this 4 deaths in just 4 days? I think 302 should impose to the Durgesh Pathak, who is the MLA of this place, because he was continuously told by the local people that water logging is a big problem in this area, but he couldn't take it seriously. Yesterday, 3 innocent students dead, and today might be more will come. So Atishi should take immediate action, and I want the resignation of the water minister. And I say and I request the police, please impose 302 on the owner Ved Gupta, MCD Shelly O'Brien, Durgesh Pathak and Atishi. These 4 people should be imposed 302 immediately, because these 3 innocent people died because of them.
And also I wanted to know, after something like this happened, what was the authorities' reaction? How fast or how quick were they, or they were late?
They were very quick. They came at the spot at 7:20. We reported the issue at 7 or 7:10. They were quick. They did the very good job. I applaud all the officers and I respect them truly. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया सर. उन्होंने बहुत बच्चों की जान भी बचाई. 3 people have died. That's very disheartening. But उनका जो एक good part है sir, that should also be highlighted.
The work done by NDRF is tremendous. At 4 o'clock, the main person of NDRF went, and even Delhi police, they are in very good cooperation they are doing. But still, this is a failure of the system, and it should be immediately sought out. Otherwise, such deaths will take place in future also.
And, is there still water inside, or it's all taken?
Already drained, and it has taken almost more than 14 hours, because it started 6:30 yesterday. And see, you can see there are big tankers of Delhi MCD, and they are still trying to take off the water. The incident is so sad. And see, the UPSC aspirants who want to be administration, IS, IPS officer, now when they are going back to their home as a dead body, I can't imagine the emotions of their parents, their mother and father.
Sir, you should also cover the streets of this place. How many wires are hanging from up to down? सर नंगे खुले हुए तार यहाँ पर पड़े हुए हैं, उनसे बचा के जाना पड़ रहा है. बच्चा एक मारा गया पटेल नगर में सर, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. ओनर्स ऑफ द हाउसेज हैव बीन राइटिंग टू द MCD अबाउट वाटर लॉगिंग इश्यूज. 10 दिनों से सर लिख रहे थे. आज अभी तक तो कोई उन्होंने एक्शन लिया नहीं है, बट आई हैव जस्ट गॉट टू नो बिफोर कुछ सीनियर ऑफिशियल्स के आने से पहले वो सारा ड्रेनेज वगैरह अपना साफ कर रहे हैं सर अभी जाकर.
So, yes, viewers, this was the people who gave their perspective on this very pertinent issue that happened. This is me, Brian Thomas, signing off with camera person Pavan for NewsX Delhi.